If not, which one of them will survive the longest?
Oh!
Big hit already early on.
He flipped it back over.
Rolling back over. Red flag, red flag. Hold it up, hold it up, hold
He's
it
still
up.
running.
That's got to be a safety check right there. That was a while.
Now they're going back to
Gotta
green.
get eyes on that 16,
Woo!
make sure he's all right. I think we're back going. Green flag is going. And even seeing a wild demo off the first few hits. Wild shot, wild rollover. That dirt does not let him slide. It's gonna make him roll. Big hit by the 138, lining up a shot on the 550K. I don't know what it says. Kind of like scribble, but we shall see if Big Hit survives. A P47 with another big shot. Big sandwich between the 16 and the 138. Ooh, the silver 11 with a solid shot on it. What a wild hit and a rollover with the 16, but he's still rolling. The 17 looking for a little bit of payback. Well, we got a demolition derby going on right now. We're waiting for one last car to survive. We're gonna see who could it be. Ooh, big hit on the front end of the 11 by the 17. Oh, that back tire of the 11 is burning. We are still rolling. Looks like all cars are still fired off. The 11 not looking too great out there. Gotta watch the driver's door. Good hit on the front end. Solid driving out there by, I believe, the 16. Big hit by the 138 on the back of the teddy bear car. GMT teddy bear car with a big hit on him. Trying to get a little bit of payback.
Got him back.
Looking for it. The number 11's put on the clock. He's still rolling around, but boy, is that vehicle pretty much done. We got everybody else still rolling around, still looking for some contact. GMT with a solid shot on him. 17's looking for it. Ooh, able to show him his back. Able to get out on the way. Solid shot by the 16 now. Backing it up. Again, 16 and 17. Past Demolition Derby champions out there. They're looking to try to bring in the gold. Looking for gold and silver out here tonight. We're going to see which one can do it if they
Gave up.
can.
He went for it.
Yes.
138 getting pushed around by the 17. 16 pushing around the 138 back to him. 17's looking for a big shot. Oh, big hit on the right side barrier. Puts him up to the wall. Oh, he lines him up for the 16 to make contact. 17 needs to stay inbound though. 17's looking for some good track shots, but he's got to stay inbound. Oh, big hit on the front end of the GMC. A little bit of contact back out of. The 138 just
That was a
give
door,
up.
isn't
He
it?
is pushing strong. He's trying to survive it. 138 with still a great run out there. Trying to make contact, trying to get that payback. That trunk is just destroyed from the GMT. What a wild shot that was. E47 able to line it up and make a little bit of contact as well. So the white cars are looking worse for wear. Black car teams are just solid hitting them. We're going to see who can line up a good shot. Let's see who's the next one to get wiped out. We are only one car, two cars down right now. We still have time left on it. Good contact by the 17 as well. We got cars flipping around on the right side. Ooh, big hit using the front end of the teddy bear auto salvage. He's just looking to finish it off. He's just looking to see how much more hits he can get. Driving angry out there now, but we got a huge pile of big hit. Solid shot by the P47. Haven't seen him hit that big so far today, so a solid shot for him late in the game. He might be saving it a little bit. So again, the 138. Get it teamed up now. You gotta get out of there. Trying to get out of the center. The 138's gotta back it out. Try to get another shot on somebody. 16 still running. and smoke coming out the front end, but he's still pushing it strong. 17 with a good front shot on that white vehicle right there, the Teddy Bear TNT, I believe. Yeah, they are lasting a lot longer than I expected. Ooh, really good. T47 getting pushed by the 16. A little bit of a sandwich going on with the 138. 138 having some issues now. Car not running as strong as it was. So again, might be on its last legs. The Teddy Bear definitely is trying to finish him off. 16 lined up a good shot. A truck to truck though. Not going to finish him off just quite yet. 138 looking to see if he can survive this one. Doesn't have a lot of power. Little hit on the front end of the 138 again. Not a lot of them have full power right now. Good hit on the front end of the DMC, but at 16, I believe. Backed it up and tries to do it again. 138, still running though, still in it. Holding strong, trying to finish it also. We're going to see where they rank. Who's the next one down? Oh, big hit. Big hit on the TNT Teddy Bear. These cars will last a lot longer than I expected. That car ripped off front bumper, still rolling around, still has power. It is insane to see how much damage some of these cars can take. Still go. Final event of the night. They're finishing off these cars right here from you. The last one running will be our winner. We got 5 cars left. We're looking for some harder hits. We need to see some harder hitting out there.
Let him go in the bigger track.
See if they can finish somebody off. That was a good solid shot to 16, but they're still rolling. Nose to nose, front end. We got a little bit of a pile up right here. They're gonna go, hey, truck to truck, a solid shot on him. It's still rolling. I don't know what's more impressive, the harder hits or the fact that those cars are taking it so much. Big hit by the 16. And up pretty solid. Again, a little bit derby out here. Some of them are hitting hard, some of them getting hit hard, but they're still rolling along. Are still down with 5. Still rolling. Good hit on the 138. 17 trying to line it down. 15 away. They're trying to make contact on that front end. Not able to make a difference happen right now. 138 just looking to try to find something to do. 17 trying to line up a shot on him. They just cannot finish these cars off. They need to try to make
Got him!
16 with a little payback. Big solid traffic jam right there. Big collision on that left side. The 138 might be gone now. That might be the final lick, and the 17 kind of stuck. So the 17 might be running into an issue right now where he can't get out. Oh, 16 rolling it up over the hood. DMT car looks like there might be a fire under the hood of the DMT, so we're gonna red flag it. Red